I wish that my lecture can convey a sense of what it means to work with a place rather than just playing music in a place. And I also hope to open up a new idea of what site-specific composition could mean. A composition that can be inhabited by our ears, like an auditory sculpture. One common misconception is certainly that, especially in architectural and urban public contexts, sound is mostly considered as something to be reduced or eliminated. Sound is much more than a potential disturbance. It's an expressive material that opens up new ways to live with and within places. Another common misconception is maybe that adding sounds in such environments is just adding noise. However, with subtle sound interventions, we can sometimes transform spaces in a very unexpected way. What inspires me the most is when I can observe people rediscover a common place through sound. When a bridge becomes a wind harp, a factory hall becomes a memory chamber, an urban square becomes a sonic landscape.